in New York. Delicious food, right? Delicious dumplings.
We got over here the meat pizza. Check this out. Georgian flavor.
Every time I see those ads, every time I see those ads,
Savory, salty, so much flavor going on. So different. What else do we got on the table over here? Lamb kebab. Phenomenal. Overall, this place straight up 8.7. Right, guys? I like this place. 8.7. 8.7.
Well, what do you rate it? What do you rate it? One of Queen's hidden gems. Don't tell anyone.
Kasky, you're a purchaser. That's a rate.
All right, we're ready to taste the food at Marani. Authentic, Georgian, delicious food. Right around the corner from Brooklyn, Rego Park, 20-minute drive. Delicious dumpling. This is not just a regular dumpling. Holy cow, this thing is hot, yo. You gotta turn it upside down, bite it off, and there's supposed to be a delicious, basically soup in there. Old school. Wow. See that? Delicious meat inside. Chicken.
Kosher bite, everyone knows the rules. Kosher bite, everyone knows the rules.
Make a broccoli bread, right? We have so much food over here. 12, 13 items on the table. Overall, this place, something different, rating this place an 8.2. Get out here, try something different. You guys are going to love it. Like and subscribe.